All right, tips and tricks, woohoo! This is the gold, you guys. This is how we can share what's working in our classes with other teachers, and likewise, we can see what's working in other teachers' classes. Okay, so let me show you where it is. On the portal, under the lesson notes, if we scroll down, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. Woohoo! Okay, so tips are like the teacher to teacher notes or teacher to self notes, kind of like the heads up or the things you wish you would have known before class, but now you know since you've taught it. So the next time you teach class, then you don't have to go, oh yeah, it's this lesson halfway through it. Now, tricks are how we teach the concepts in ways that are really working with our students. Sometimes there are difficult things in our classes that if you haven't thought of something great for yet, you kind of just muddle through or just squeak by. Instead, there's some genius teacher out there who has thought of something clever or crafty or creative. Seasoned teachers, this is where you can shine. This is where you can help everyone else know all the things that you know. Okay, so what goes here? Remember, tips are like the heads up. Let's talk about some good examples of tips. YouTube video links. If you make a video with your tip and trick, put your YouTube video link in there. Type it out. Write what you do. Just don't forget to put in the details so we understand what we're supposed to do with your tip or trick. This could be things like, this lesson is packed full of content. Keep up your pacing or you'll never make it through. Or maybe this one needs a lot of extension. It's kind of sparse, so make sure you have extension. That's a great heads up. Also, maybe something like, I don't know, there's 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed at the end, and we all know we can't get through that song in 15 seconds, and so save 5 hours for the end of your lesson. Okay, let's talk about good examples of tricks. The tricks that are making your class work. How are you teaching the difficult concepts in the lesson? This could be direct ideas, like in the Grow, show a seed to a full-size plant. I have one for Bossy E that is so fun, and it works like a charm. Likewise, you may have a great way you teach pronouns. I want to know it, because I don't have any great way I teach pronouns. They're sort of boring. So if you have a great way, you can submit it, then all the students benefit from our creative ideas. This could also be skills, so maybe when you're doing pronunciation, I take my mouth and move it closer so that they can see the Or maybe extension or clarifying questions like, how is a baby different from an adult? Anything that inexperienced or new teacher might go, oh yeah, that's a great idea, I never thought of that. Okay, so what could the bad things be? Not sharing anything. This is the one that's a bust. If you don't share anything and there are no tips and tricks, that's the main bust. Also, things that aren't in the lesson or don't really apply. That doesn't help anyone, so don't share those. But other than that, this is a more the merrier, more the merrier, more the merrier, more the merrier category.